Hello and welcome to our special update from the Oromia Ministry of Education. Today, we are diving into the details of the 2016 Grade 8 exam results. Whether you're a student, parent, or educator, we have all the information you need to navigate this crucial time. Let's get started. The Grade 8 exams were organized by the Oromia Regional State Ministry of Education. These exams are essential for evaluating students' understanding of the curriculum and ensuring they're prepared for their academic future. Held in May 2016, these exams are a key part of our education system, designed to maintain high educational standards across the region. This year, around 250,000 students across Oromia sat for the Grade 8 exams. Last year, about 75% of students passed, demonstrating the hard work and dedication of both students and educators. We are optimistic that this year's results will reflect continued progress and success. Checking your results is simple and convenient. Here's how you can do it. Online, visit the Oromia Ministry's official website at oromia.ministry.et. Go to the Results section and enter your examination number to view your results. Telegram bot: use our Telegram bot by searching for @emacs_ministry_result_qmt_bot. Follow the easy steps provided to get your results directly in your chat. SMS: if you prefer, send your examination number to 12,345 via SMS. Your results will be sent to your phone immediately. For those who need a physical copy or want to keep a record, you can download your results as a PDF. Simply go to our website, find the Results section, and select Download PDF. Enter your exam number, click Download, and your results will be available in a PDF format ready for printing or saving. We know waiting can be challenging. The results were already announced in July offline and online. Be sure to check the official website or your preferred platform to check your Grade 8 results. We wish all our Grade 8 students the best of luck. The Oromia Ministry of Education is proud of your hard work and achievements. For more updates and information, make sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our channels. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your results.